Hmm. You know what? I'm not a man if I don't do a monsoon run. You know what I'm saying, Savannah? I know, like, I haven't played in a little while, but, like, am I really gonna do that to myself?
I don't know anything about that game.
It's been too long here. Hmm. Boink. Hmm. I'll go. You know what? I don't actually care enough to go grab that healing drone. There we go. Oh. Okay. Okay. How unfortunate. Let's get rid of that guy. And that guy. Ooh. I'll take it. Ooh, I got a beetle guard. Damn it. Alright. Ooh, Peridot Crystal. Let's go. You know what? More health is okay. We'll take a couple. I'm at 1,000. This next one, okay, yeah. There's stuff over here. How dare they put stuff over here? I was more thinking we'd attack the giant floating head in the sky drones, but that's okay. I'll do it. What is that, gas? I think that's everything I could get. Ooh, I hate clay doom destroyers. Oh, I missed him. Ooh. I got another legendary boss item. That's goated. What time is it? 11:08? We still got some time. Ooh, a red. Chance to hook all nearby enemies. Whatever the hook that means. Ooh. Why is this guy here? Hey man, I have some bigger stuff going on. Okay, killed him a little bit late. That's okay. Oh. Okay, well, I got him dead. Alright, fuck it. Fuck it, wee ball. I'm running out of time. Oh, fuck. I fucking hate magma worms. There's so many viable drones that I missed. Oh well, can't buy them now anyways. Alright, there's one in there. And there's one all the way at the top there. Don't be praying to the sun god. Well, hey, everything actually worked out pretty okay for me there.
You know what? I also worked today.
Yeah, fuck you. Ooh, I might
Fuck you.
actually really win this one. The things
See
I'm
how
getting.
he talks to me, Commander? What an asshole.
Oh, wasted that. I have like 2 feathers and plenty of grappling hooks. I should be able to skip him. Oh, fuck. Please die. Holy shit, I did it so fast. Thank God. Alright. Sick. I just gotta survive. Obliterate that poor smuck. Oh my god. I died on the way to him. Oh shit, I forgot I still have that. Okay. That's so annoying. Okay, okay. These are the guys who just killed me, so I should probably not think of them as jokes. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh. Where is he? Oh my god. Don't catch me in the air. Oh my god. Where's all my money? Whew. Okay. I can't believe I'm all out of money, but... What? Do I have to touch it? Oh fuck, it spawned me so far away. Did it not give me back my fuel cells?
Oh damn, he smacked the shit out of that guy.
Okay. Where am I?
Anyone there?
Hey, Zay. Perfect timing.
Hello.
As long as I survive this, I have beat a really hard difficulty on a really hard game. And it'll be the first time I have done it. And I was only going to do one run before we played Rivals, because I figured you'd get on a little quicker. I don't actually know what time it is. 11:44? Yeah, I figured you'd get on like 20 minutes ago.
Really?
No, I figured you'd get on maybe 10, if I was lucky.
Oh.
But I didn't expect this run to go as good as it did. I haven't even beat Monsoon yet. Let's go. Finally. Beat Monsoon. Game is rain themed, so beating Monsoon difficulty means I beat the hardest. You know, Monsoon, hard rain.
I got a warning for leaving, but I didn't leave. I got disconnected the last game I played.
Cringe.
You're cringe.
I just beat Monsoon, so I'm not cringe.
Oh,
I'm goated.
well, don't
I
know
just
who
blew
that
up
is,
the
so it's
moon.
kinda cringe. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
What'd the moon do to you?
Piece of shit planet. It's one of those situations where like
Not
the
a planet, it's a
moon. It's one of those situations where like the moon somehow has a plethora of different biomes.
Yeah, one of those situations. I
Yeah,
gotcha.
yeah. It's a fictional moon.
Mm.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't actually know the lore of this game. All I know is I just got 2 achievements, one of which I spent a long time trying to get. Space to skip.
Grant, you should steal me a charger on your last day so I can just have one.
It's not my last day. My last day isn't coming up yet. I don't have another job, man.
Oh, I thought your interview was. Oh,
My interview was today.
oh, you didn't get it?
Funny story. I may or may not have applied to the wrong Chick-fil-A. Excuse me. I was thinking it was the Chick-fil-A here on Georgia, which is close by,